shouldn't exceed 22 by 14 by 9 inches or 56 by 36 by 23 centimeters. Must fit in the sizer at the airport. If your items don't fit in the overhead bin or under the seat, they may need to be checked. There may be additional carry-on bag restrictions at certain airports or on certain airplanes. We recommend labeling your carry-on the same way you do checked bags in case this happens. Soft-sided garment bags up to 51 inches or 130 cm can also be taken as your carry-on item. Musical instruments are also considered a carry-on item and must fit in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Checked bag allowances. Changes to bag limitations have been updated as of April 7, 2021. All bag fees are non-refundable and apply per person at each check-in location. Each way, even if you purchase or get an upgrade that includes free checked bags. If you believe you've been incorrectly charged for bag fees, contact an American representative for help or file a refund claim within 45 days. Delayed bags. If you can't find your bag, see an agent at the airport after landing or you'll need to return. The agent will give you a 13-character file reference number to use when filing your claim. Check the status of your bags using your name and your 13-character file reference number. Bags delayed 3+ days. If your bag has been missing for 3 or more days, we'll need more information to help you. To get started, fill out a passenger property questionnaire including the 13-character file reference number you received at the airport. What can I bring? Planning ahead and packing properly can facilitate the screening process and ease your travel experience at the airport. Know what you can pack in your carry-on and checked baggage before arriving at the airport. Even if an item is generally permitted, it may be subject to additional screening or not allowed through the checkpoint if it triggers an alarm during the screening process, appears to have been tampered with or poses other security concerns. Damaged bags. If you notice damage to your bags, see an agent before leaving the airport or contact us within 24 hours for domestic flights and 7 days for international flights. We'll give you a 13-character file reference number to use when filing your claim. To be considered for reimbursement, fill out a passenger property questionnaire including the 13-character file reference number you received when you reported your damage. Damage from TSA inspections. If your bag is inspected by Transportation Security Administration, that is TSA, they'll place a written notification inside or a seal on the outside. If you think the damage was caused by an inspection, please contact TSA at 866-289-9673. To reduce the risk of damage, avoid overpacking, checking bags that won't close completely, checking carry-on items such as laptops, briefcases and totes, traveling with extremely old or worn bags, packing restricted items. If you still have any queries, you can talk to American Airlines executives. We Cheap Flights want to provide you the best deals and updated news of all airlines in United States. Call us now to get discounts in ticket booking.